Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool set of 27909 cordless telephones. It's the designer model, and this is Steve's equipment from New York, and this is the initial checkout of this cool equipment. Now, this type of cordless phone is very sought after, and people really liked them, and they want to have them repaired. Now, both of these units have a transmit issue, so we want to troubleshoot the main PC boards. Now, we have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on these units. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of these really cool cordless telephones, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the cordless telephones. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a couple times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the unit. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our unit up. We want to check our satellite. Give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into this handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer just like before, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that these units ring in on a ring cycle, they dial out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That will give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, May 16th. The current time, 12:23 p.m. and the temperature, 79 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. Now we can go ahead and use this unit, give you some dial tone, and we'll make that call.
time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, May 16th. The current time, 12:32 p.m. and the temperature, 79 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that these really cool General Electric 27909, the designer model, have been repaired, we can return them to Steve and they can enjoy these telephones once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.